Hello students, welcome back. So we are doing heights and distances exercise 22b from ICSE book of class 10, isn't it? And we have completed till question number 5 in our previous videos, and today we'll start right from question number 6 onward. Okay, so let's begin. This is question number 6. From the figure given below, calculate the length of CD. So this is the figure provided to us. We are asked to find the length of CD. Okay, let us understand this figures first. This is a rectangle BCDE, isn't it? BCD is a rectangle, which means BC equals to DE. The opposite sides of rectangles are equal to each other, isn't it? BC is given to us 15 meters. That means DE should be equals to 15 meters. DE or ED should be equals to 15 meters. Okay, and the opposite sides CD and BE should also be equal. These two are called the breadths and these two are called the lengths, isn't it? Now what we do is, in triangle ADE, this is a smaller triangle, isn't it? ADE, we have angle DE, angle ADE 22 degree, we have base DE 15 meter, isn't it? From here we can find AE, that is perpendicular, applying tan theta, isn't it? Again, in triangle ACB we have angle 47 degree, ACB is 47 degree, and we have base BC is 15 meter. From here we can find the perpendicular AB, isn't it? So we already have AE in the first case. Now we have found AB. Now what we do is we subtract AE from AB. Okay, we subtract AE from AB, we get ED, isn't it? Sorry, EB. This EB is equal to CD. So we got the answer, isn't it? Very easy. So let's begin. In rectangle BCDE, BC equal to ED, isn't it? BC equals to ED equals to 15 meters. This is given to us. And CD equals to BE. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal, isn't it? CD equals to BE equals to BE. Let us not suppose this X. Okay, now in triangle ADE, what to do is, DE is known to us, that is 15 meter, because DE and ED same thing. Okay, DE and ED same thing. DE equals to BC equals to 15 meter. D is known to us, and angle ADE is given to us 22 degree. Angle ADE is given to us, that is 22 degree, isn't it? 22 degree. Now we apply tan theta. Since tan of angle ADE equals to, when we talk about this angle, tan of this angle equals to perpendicular AE by base ED, isn't it? ED or DE. Perpendicular AE by base DE or ED, same thing, we write ED. Okay, or tan of angle ADE is given to us 22 degree, and AE unknown to us, we are trying to find AE. ED is given to us, ED is DE. ED and DE same thing. Okay, ED is given to us 15. Now we put the value of tan 22 degree. Tan 22 degree is 0.4040. 0.4040 equals to AE by 15, isn't it? Or let me continue here. Okay, AE equals to 15 into 0.4040, isn't it? We should multiply this. So 15 zeros are 0, 15 fours are 60, 0, 6 in hand, 15 zeros are 0 plus 6, 6, 15 fours are 60, again we write 60. So we have decimal point before, 1 2 3 4 digits, so we put 1 2 3 4. So AE equals to 6.06, isn't it? 6.06, double zero, you need not write that, okay? That zero has no value after decimal point. That is, we found the value of AE, meters. Now again in triangle ACB, okay, in triangle ACB we have CB or BC, same thing, isn't it? CB or BC, CB or BC, same thing, 15 meter, 15 meter, and angle ACB is 47 degree. ACB equals to 47 degree, or we apply tan theta, tan of angle ACB equals to perpendicular AB, perpendicular will become AB, okay, AB by base CB or BC, we write BC, okay, BC, or tan of angle ACB means 47 degree given to us, 47 degree, AB, total AB is AE plus EB, isn't it? AE plus EB, or BC, we know BC 15 meter, or tan 47, we write the value of tan 47 using trigonometric table. Page number 455, tan 47 degree is 1.0724, 1.0724, 1.0724, okay. This 15, we can cross multiply this here, okay, into 15 equals to AE. AE is known to us. What is AE? AE means 6.06. AE means 6.06. Instead of AE, we have the value of AE is 6.06 plus EB. EB is unknown to us. We write EB here. Is cross multiplied here, okay. Now 15 4s are 60, 0, isn't it? 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 6 is 36, we have 3 in hand. 15 7s are 105, 105 plus 3 is 108, 10 in hand. 15 zeros is 0, so 10 plus 0 is 10, 0, 1 in hand. 15 ones are 15 plus 1, 16. So we put decimal point before 4 digit, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 16.0860. Now we bring this 6.06 to the left hand side, minus 6.06 equals to EB, okay, or EB equals to, we subtract 6.06 from this, okay, 16.086, 16.086, this 0 has no value, so we don't write, minus 6.06, 6.06, so you can write 0 here. 6 minus 0 is 6, 8 minus 6 is 2, 0 0 0, okay, point 16 minus 6 is 10, so we have 10.062, 0.2, 10.026 meter. The value of EB, we were asked to find the value of CD, isn't it? EB is equal to CD. Since EB equal to CD equal to 10 point, you can round up this, okay, this 6 is greater than 5, so we bring 1 here. What we write it, 10.03 meters, okay. So this is the answer. 026 is the correct answer. Actually 10.026 is correct up to 3 decimal places. What we do is we round up and we write, since this is greater than 5, so we write 3 here, 2 becomes 3, okay. 10.03 meters, 10.03 meters is the answer for the length of CD which we were asked to find, isn't it? I hope you got this. Now let us move on to the next question. The next question, question number 7. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower is observed to be 60 degree. At a point 30 meters vertically above the first point of observation, the elevation is found to be 45 degree. Find, question number 1, the height of the tower, and question number 2, its horizontal distance from the points of observation. Okay, now let us understand this question by drawing a diagram. Let us suppose this is a tower, okay, and this is the horizontal ground. Now, when the top of the tower is observed from a point somewhere here, okay, from the horizontal ground, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Angle of elevation is 60 degree when observed from the horizontal ground somewhere here to the top of the tower. The angle of elevation is 60 degree. Now the second part of the question is, on moving 30 meters vertically above the first point of observation, that means 30 meters above this point, okay, 30 meters from here to here is 30 meters. 30 meter vertically above the first point means from the first point of observation 30 meters vertically upward. Okay, this is the second point of observation. Now we join this two. Okay, this line is parallel to this. When observed from this second point to the top of the tower, the angle of elevation made at this time is 45 degree. Now we are asked to find the distance of observation and the tower, okay, this and this, because these two are equal distance, because this is a rectangle, isn't it? I'll explain this later. First question is, what is the distance of observation and the tower? First question. Second question is, what is the height of the tower? Okay, so we assume this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. Now we have rectangle BCDE, isn't it? BCDE is a rectangle, and BC is equal to ED because opposite sides of the rectangles are equal to each other, isn't it? And CD equals to BE. Okay, now what we do is, in triangle ABE we have angle tan 45 degree, isn't it? Angle. So we find BE. Okay, AE perpendicular, BE base. Again, in triangle ACD we have angle, we have CD, CD is equal to BE, we find EB perpendicular. Okay, let me solve this question here and you will understand better. So let's do this question. In rectangle ABCDE, no, not ABCD, BCDE. In rectangle BC, in rectangle BCDE, BC equals to ED, isn't it? BC equals to ED or DE, same thing. DE or ED equals to 30 meter. This is given to us, 30 meter. And CD equals to BE, isn't it? CD equals to BE equals to X. Say we suppose CD and BE are equal. We know that CD and BE are equal. We suppose CD equals to X and BE equals to X. Okay, because CD and BE are the opposite sides of the rectangle, CD should be equal to BE and BC should be equal to ED. Now in triangle ABE, we have BE equals to X, isn't it? and ABE, angle ABE equals to 45 degree. So let us apply tan theta. Tan of angle ABE equals to perpendicular is AE by base is BE, isn't it? Or tan of angle AB is given to us, that is 45 degree. We need to find this AE, isn't it? BE is equal to x. BE equals to x. Or tan 45 degree means 1 equals to AE upon x. Let me continue here. So we cross multiply this. AE equals to x into 1 is x. AE equals to x. This is equation 1. Okay. So we have AE equals to x. Now in triangle ACD, we have CD equals to BE, isn't it? CD equals to B equals to x. So we write x, and angle ACD equals to 60 degree. ACD equals to 60 degree. Since tan of angle ACD equals to perpendicular, that is AD. When we talk about this angle, perpendicular will be AD upon base CD, isn't it? So tan ACD means given to us 60 degree. AD, what is AD? AD is AE plus ED, isn't it? AE plus ED. Okay. AD means AE plus ED, isn't it? So CD equals to B, CD equals to B equals to x, isn't it? X. Or tan 60 means √3 equals to AE. We have AE equals to x plus ED equals to BE equals to 30. ED equals to BC. ED equals to BC equals to 30, isn't it? So ED means 30 upon x. So let us cross multiply this. X into √3 x equals to x plus 30. So let us bring this x to the left hand side. √3 x plus x becomes minus x equals to 30 is in the right hand side. So we take common x within the bracket remains √3 x into √3x plus into minus x into 1 x equals to 30. Now x equals to 30 upon this √3 minus 1 goes to the denominator by cross multiplication, isn't it? So we found x. Let us rationalize this because we don't need the number having root in the denominator. Okay, so when we have minus here, we should multiply and divide by plus. Okay, √3 plus 1 upon √3 plus 1. If we have √3 plus 1, then we should multiply and divide by √3 minus 1. This is called rationalizing the denominator. X equals to 30 into √3 plus 1. 30 into √3 plus 1. 30 into √3 plus 1. What is √3? 1.732. The value of √3 is 1.732 plus 1 upon, this is √3 minus 1, √3 plus 1 is a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. So a square is √3 square. √3 square means 3. Minus b square is 1 square. 1 square means 1. Or x equals to 30 into 1.732 plus 1 is 2.732 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30. So x equals to 15 into this, isn't it? So 15 2s are 30, 0, 3 in hand. 15 3s are 45, 45 plus 3 is 48, 8, 4 in hand. 15 7s are 105, 105 plus 4 is 109, so 9, 10 in hand. 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 10 is 40, so we write 40 here. Decimal point we have 1 2 3, so 1 2 3, 40.980. 40.980 means 40.98, isn't it? So let me write here x. Let me erase this, okay? So we found x equals to 40.98, because this 0 has no value after decimal point, isn't it? So 40.98. So what is x? X is actually the distance between the points of observation and the tower, isn't it? Therefore the distance between points of observation and tower equals to 40.98 meters. Okay, so we are asked to find the height of the tower as well, isn't it? So height of the tower is AD. AD means AE plus ED. Therefore height of the tower equals to AD, isn't it? AD is the height of the tower. AD means AE plus ED. AE plus ED. So what is AE? AE is x. AE is x, isn't it? So AE is x. AE means x. X means 40.98. 40.98 plus ED. What is ED? ED is equal to BC. BC is 30. 30. So 30 plus 40 is 70. 70, okay. 70.98. 98 meters. So this is the answer for question number 7. I hope you got this. Now let us move on to the next question. And now let us do question number 8. Okay, from the top of a cliff 60 meter high, the angles of depression of the top and bottom of a tower are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. So let us understand this question by drawing the diagram. So let us draw. This is a cliff and this is a tower, and this is the horizontal ground. Okay, so when observed from the top of the cliff to the top of the tower, suppose this is a tower, top of the tower, the angle of depression is, angle of depression means you need to draw a parallel line parallel to the base. Okay, you need to draw a straight line parallel to base. So angle of depression is 30 degree when observed to the top of the tower from the cliff. Okay, so let us draw this line. This line and this line are parallel to each other. When this is 30 degree, these two lines are parallel to each other. This is a transversal, this is equals to 30 degree. Okay, now from the same point from the top of the cliff, when observed to the bottom of the tower, okay, this is the bottom of the tower, the angle of depression at this time is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. This means this line and this line is parallel to each other, and this is a transversal, so this is also 60 degree. So we are asked to find, and the given condition is the height of the cliff is 60 meter. Total height of the cliff is 60 meters. Okay, height of the cliff is 60 meters. We are asked to find the height of the tower, this height. Okay, so suppose this is A, this is B. Now let me write 60 here. This is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. Okay, now you can see B, C, D, E is a rectangle, so their opposite side should be equal. CD should be equal to B and BC should be equal to ED. Okay, so in rectangle BCDE, you can say BC equals to ED, isn't it? BC equals to ED, and CD equals to BE, isn't it? CD equals to BE equals to X, say. Okay, let us suppose this equals to X. CD equals to BE, and given condition AC is given to us. AC is the height of the cliff, is 60 meters, isn't it? Now let us take the triangle ABE. Okay, this triangle. In triangle ABE, we have BE equals to X. BE equals to X, isn't it? We have supposed BE equals to X. This and this are X, isn't it? BE equals to X, CD equals to X. Okay, and angle AEB equals to 30 degree. AEB equals to 30 degree. So let us apply tan theta. Tan of angle AEB. Okay, AEB equals to perpendicular is AB, base is BE, isn't it? When we talk about this angle, perpendicular is AB and base is BE. Perpendicular AB by base BE. So tan AEB is given to us 30 degree equals to perpendicular AB by base BE. BE is X. Okay, BE is X. Now, or AB, tan 30 means root 3. Tan 30 means root 3. Oh, sorry, tan 30 means 1 upon root 3. Okay, tan 30 means 1 upon root 3 equals to AB by X. AB by X, or AB equals to X into 1, X by root 3. Okay, let us cross multiply this, let us rationalize this, root 3 upon root 3. So AB equals to X into root 3 X upon root 3 into root 3, 3. Okay, so this is equation 1. Now in triangle ACD, we have CD equals to X, CD equals to X, and angle ADC equals to 60 degree. ADC equals to 60 degree. Okay, so tan of angle ADC equals to tan theta means perpendicular AC by base CD, or tan ADC means 60 degree equals to AC. What is AC? AC is given to us 60. AC means 60 by CD. CD means X. So let us put the value of tan 60. Tan 60 means root 3 into X. Root 3X equals to 60, isn't it? Or X equals to root 3 goes to the denominator, 60 upon root 3. Let us rationalize this. Root 3 by root 3, or X equals to 60 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 0, or X equals to 20 root 3.
isn't it? So we have AB equal to root 3 x by 3, isn't it? So we can find the value of AB, isn't it? Let me erase this, okay? Please take the screenshot. From equation 1 we can find AB. From equation 1 we have AB equal to root 3 x by 3, or AB equal to root 3 upon 3, x means 20 root 3, so into 20 root 3, or AB equals to root 3 into root 3 is 3, isn't it? Root 3 into root 3 is 3 into 20 divided by this 3 comes here, 3 cancels out, or AB equals to 20 meters. So we have AB. AB means this. Now we have AC, that means BC equals to AC minus AB. If you subtract AB from AC, you get BC, isn't it? So BC equals to AC minus AB, since, or BC equals to AC is 60, we know that given, isn't it? AB is 20, or 60 minus 20 is 40 meters. Okay, so we have found BC. BC is equal to ED, because this is the rectangle, opposite sides of the rectangles are equal. Therefore ED equal to, let me write BC, okay? BC equals to ED equals to 40 meter, isn't it? 40 meters. BC and ED are equal, so ED equals to 40 meter. Therefore the height of the tower equals to 40 meters. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, now let us do question number 9. A man on a cliff observes a boat at an angle of depression 30 degree which is sailing towards the shore to the point immediately beneath him. 3 minutes later, the angle of depression of the boat is found to be 60 degree. Assuming that the boat sails at a uniform speed, determine, question number 1, how much time it will take to reach the shore, and number 2, the speed of the boat in meter per second if the height of the cliff is 500 meters. Okay, so let us understand the question. First, let us do question number 1. Okay, so this is a cliff and this is a water body. Okay, ship is coming from here towards the shore. A man is on top of the cliff, and just vertically down the cliff is the shore. Shore means the end of the water body, isn't it? Shore, S-H-O-R-E, shore. Okay, the ship is coming towards the shore. Now the man observes the ship first here. Okay, the ship was here. At this time, the angle of depression is, depression means, suppose if I draw a line parallel to the baseline, okay, this angle is called angle of depression, and that is 30 degree, I think so. Angle of depression is 30 degree, isn't it? So this line is transversal, that means this is also 30 degree. After 3 minutes, the man again observed the ship. The ship is coming towards the shore, isn't it? After 3 minutes, the ship had reached to this point, and at this time the angle of depression is 60 degree. Okay, the angle of depression is found to be 60 degree. This is 60 degree. That means this angle is 60 degree. Now the boat took 3 minutes to reach from this point to this point. This is the given condition. 3 minutes later, the angle of depression of the boat is found to be 60 degree, which means the boat took 3 minutes to travel from this point to this point. Okay, 3 minutes. Time taken is 3 minutes. Time taken equals to 3 minutes from this point to this point. Okay, now let us write A, B, C, D. Let us assume AB. In the first case, AB equals to x. Okay, the height of the cliff is x. Okay, height of the cliff is given 500 meter. That is for the second question. You can write that in the first question also, but for the first question, question number 1, I am assuming the height of the cliff is x. Okay, we don't need the height of the cliff, so we just assume that. Since, okay, AB equals to height of the cliff, height of the cliff equals to x meters, say. Okay, now in triangle ABC, we have AB equals to x, isn't it? And angle ACB equals to 60 degree. Angle ACB equals to 60 degree. Let us apply tan theta, since tan of angle ACB equals to perpendicular is AB, isn't it? AB by base is BC, or tan ACB is tan 60 degree equals to AB is x, BC not known to us, we write BC, or tan 60 degree, tan 60 means root 3, isn't it, equals to x upon BC. Now BC goes to the numerator, root 3 comes down to the denominator. Okay, BC equals to x upon root 3. This is equation 1. Okay, BC equals to x upon root 3. This BC goes to the numerator, root 3 comes down to the denominator by cross multiplication. Now in triangle ABD, we have AB equals to x, isn't it, height of the cliff, and BD equals to BC plus CD, isn't it? BD equals to BC plus CD. Okay, now and angle ADB equals to 30 degree. So tan of angle ADB equals to perpendicular AB by base BD. BD is BC plus CD, isn't it? So tan of 30 degree equals to AB is x, and BC plus CD. What is BC? BC is x upon root 3, plus CD, isn't it? So tan 30 means 1 by root 3 equals to x upon root 3 plus CD. Okay, so let me continue here. Now let us cross multiply this, x upon root 3 plus CD into 1. Okay, x upon root 3 plus CD, isn't it? X upon root 3 plus CD into 1, x upon root 3 plus CD equals to root 3 into x, root 3x. Root 3 into x is root 3x, or CD equals to root 3x by, root 3x minus this plus x upon root 3 goes to right hand side and becomes minus x by root 3. Okay, or CD equals to, let us take the LCM, root 3 and 1, LCM will be root 3. So root 3 into root 3, 3x minus 1 into x is x, isn't it? So CD equals to 3x minus x is 2x upon root 3. So we have found CD also. CD is 2x by root 3 meters. Okay. So to cover CD distance, the boat took 3 minutes. Okay. To cover CD, CD means from D to C. To cover this much distance, the boat took 3 minutes, which means to cover 2x upon root 3 meters, the boat took 3 minutes. Now, how much more time the boat will take to cover BC distance? Okay, to reach the shore means to cover BC or CB. Okay, BC is x upon root 3, isn't it? So let me erase this. Please take the screenshot. We will continue this sum. Now we will apply the shortest and the easiest method, that is rule of 3. Okay, so let me write distance here and here time. Okay, distance and time. To cover 2x upon root 3 meters, 2x upon root 3, CD, isn't it? CD is 2x upon root 3. To cover 2x upon root 3 meters, boat took 3 minutes. 3 minutes time. So to cover BC distance, BC means C to B. To cover this much distance, BC is x by root 3. X by root 3, isn't it? X by root 3. How much time will the boat take? Isn't it? This is the question. Yes. So how much time will the boat take? Now you can see 2x by root 3, to cover this distance, boat took 3 minutes. To cover x upon root 3, boat will take greater time or lesser time than this? Obviously lesser, because this number is lesser than this. To cover more distance, you need more time. To cover less distance, you need less time. The number required here is lesser than 3, isn't it? If the number required here is lesser than this number, then when we make the fraction of these two numbers, the smaller number will be in the numerator and the lesser number will be, okay, greater number will be in the denominator. Okay, or x upon root 3 upon 2x by root 3 into this 3. This will be the time required. Okay, so this equals to, not or equals to, x upon root 3, x upon root 3 into this root 3 goes to the numerator upon this 2x comes down to denominator, 2x into this 3. So this root 3 and root 3 cancels out, x cancels out. So this is 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2, isn't it? 3 upon 2 means 1.5 minutes, isn't it? Okay, 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So we put decimal point, 0, 2 5s are 10. So this is 1.5 minutes. 3 upon 2 means 1.5 minutes. I hope you got this. If the number required here is greater than this, then out of these two numbers, which is the greater one will remain in the numerator and the lesser number will be in the denominator. But in this case, the time required is lesser because this is shorter distance than this, isn't it? This distance is smaller than this. So to cover this much distance, 3 minutes is required. So to cover lesser distance, lesser time will be required. So the number required here is lesser than 3. This means out of these two numbers, this is lesser number. So lesser number will be in the numerator and the greater number will be in the denominator into this 3. So you can calculate this and you can get the value 1.5 minutes. Okay, to cover this distance, BC distance, the boat will take 1.5 minutes. Okay, now let us do the next part of the question. Let us do the next part of the question. The speed of the boat in meter per second if the height of the cliff is 500 meter. So here the height of the cliff is given to us 500 meter. So we are asked to find the speed of the boat. So we found the time taken by the boat to cover BC distance is 1.5 minutes, isn't it? 1.5 minutes. So applying tan theta in triangle ABC, okay, ABC, in triangle ABC, tan of angle 60 degree equals to perpendicular AB by base BC, isn't it? Or tan 60 means root 3, isn't it? Root 3. AB is given to us 500, BC is not known to us, so BC comes here, root 3 goes down to the denominator. BC equals to 500 upon root 3. So distance BC is 500 upon root 3 meters, and time taken to cover that distance is, time taken by the boat is 1.5 minutes. Okay, so we are asked to find the speed in meter per second, so let us convert this minutes into seconds. 1.5 into 60 gives us this in seconds, isn't it? So 6 15 are 90, isn't it? 90, this 0 comes here, so decimal point before one digit, so 90.0 means 90 seconds. Okay, 6 15 are 90, so this 0 comes here, there is a decimal point before one digit, we put a decimal point, so 90 second. 90 second is the time taken by the boat, and the distance covered by the boat is this. So we know the formula of speed. Speed equals to distance upon time, isn't it? Speed equals to distance upon time, or distance is 500 by root 3, 500 by root 3 upon time is 90, upon time 90, isn't it? That 90 comes here. Okay, so 500 into root 3 divided by, multiplying and dividing by root 3. Okay, 500 into root 3, 500 root 3, root 3 into root 3, 3 into 90, multiplying and dividing by root 3. Root 3 into 500, 500 root 3, root 3 into root 3, 3 into 90. So this 0 and this 0 cancels out. 50 into root 3 means 1.732, 3 9s are 27. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, plus 1 16, 5 7 are 35, 36, 3 in hand, 5 1s are 5, plus 3 is 8. So this 0 we write here, decimal point 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So 86.6 by 27 meters per second, isn't it? So let us divide this. 86.6 divided by 7, 86.6 divided by 27. So 27 2s are, isn't it? 27 3s are, 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 81, 6 minus 1 is 5. So 8 minus 8 is 6 comes here, we need to put a decimal point here. 56, 27 2s are 54, isn't it? 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, plus 4 1 5, minus 6 minus 4 is 2. So we don't have any number, we cannot divide this, so there is a decimal point, we put 0. Still 20 is lesser than 27, so we cannot divide, so we put 0 here, we put 200. Okay, so 27 5 ja 6 7 ja 7 ja, I think so, 7 7 ja 49, 7 2 ja 14, 15 16 17 18, 189. So 10 minus 9 is 1, this becomes 9, 9 minus 8 is 1, so cancels. So if you go on dividing this, it goes on, isn't it? So 3.207 equals to 3.207 meters per second. This you can round up the number, and this 7 is greater than 5, so this 0 becomes 1. 3.21 meters per second. This is the speed of the boat. Okay, I hope you got this.